So how do you feel?
Oh, it feels amazing. Like the skin just feels so much more elastic. It feels vibrant. It feels fresher, younger, fuller. Like it's amazing. It's just amazing. I love how the whole effect is. It's so great. So.
And do you think you're going to keep doing it on yourself?
Oh yeah. I don't want to look my age anymore at all. Not that I did before, but it just enhances the whole natural process of what the body can do.
Yep. And do you think you'll be able to use it on your clients as well?
Oh yeah. I'm definitely going to let them know that this is something that is a lot of beneficial to them, especially for people who have acne and, just want to feel better about themselves and don't want to spend that huge amount of money for it, So I think, overall benefit is that it's a natural process and it's allowing the body to do what it needs to do. So,
Cool.
which is always good.
Great. Thank you.